Hello guys, uh, good day to all of you. Now this is the continuation of our project with the late. Okay, we already lated the geometry, so now it is now here. So now to make it a polygon, you have to convert it into ayan, a polygon. Okay, now once it's already editable poly, it will become like this. Okay, editable poly. Okay, uh, and then the name of that is aluminum. So okay, so we need only to select this area, no, the place where you will put the label. So we need to go to the polygon. Okay, and then you know let's to work it uh, very close to the can, we need to maximize the viewport toggle so that we can select uh, in detail the place where you want to put the label. Once it is selected, you can go down to this editable poly, okay, and then there is edit geometry. You can select detach, okay, and then you can rename it label, okay. Now, let's go back to editable poly, and then if we are going to select it, we have two geometries now, okay. Control C. One is for the label, one is for the aluminum can. Okay, now we have to select the place where you will put the label. So now here this is one is the material. Okay, the material editor. This one is for customized material. Okay, if you want to put something you you created by yourself, made to order, or from internet, this is the way. This is the way to go. Okay, make sure that it's in the physical material, and then you only need to select this. Click to pick a map or drop a map. Okay, just click that, and then you can go down. Then this is the material map browser, and then go down and then go to the general. Okay, because there are so many parameters. Make sure that you select the bitmap. Okay, then you press OK, and then it will look for the file that you want to be placed onto the geometry. Okay, so now it's Coke label. Let us try first Coke. Okay, then press open. Now you can see on the map. Okay, you can see on the map that it is already placed there. Okay, now make sure that the name of that map is that correspond to the image. Okay, for example, let's make it Coke. Then okay, now let's go to the perspective. Okay, now it looks like that. Okay, now to make sure that it is onto the exact location of the geometry, you will have to use UBW map. It's a modifier that is used for the placement of graphics onto the geometry. Okay, so UBW map. Let's go to UBW map, and this one. Okay, now once you put this UBW map, there is an option here on the uh, parameters. You can make it cylindrical. Okay, you can make it spherical. For example, you have a sphere, sphere geometry. You can use spherical or shrink wrap like that. Okay, but for this case, we need to make it a cylindrical. Okay, now under the sub object, okay, of the UBW map, there is a gizmo. Okay, now you can use this select and rotate. Okay, you can select that and then right click. Let us see. Let us check where we will have to have a modification on the X, Y, or Z. Okay, is it correct like that? Okay, so the modification is on the X. Okay, control say. So I will try to make it 90. Okay, the problem is uh, inverted. So control say again, undo. Okay, then let's try negative 90. Now it's correct. But the problem now is, let us see, make it increase so we can see the detail. Okay, the problem now is the the height. Okay, now here is the height. We can modify the height. Once you make the height smaller, it will automatically tile. No, it will join with the same image that you placed there. So okay, so what you need to do is to increase uh, the the height. Now it is now correct. Okay, now let us try to rotate it. Okay, go to the UVW map, select the plane. Okay, now you can see now. Okay, now the problem is we still have a problem with the aluminum. Okay, so select outside. Okay, select outside to deselect. Now let us select uh, the aluminum can. Now we can assign another material for that aluminum can by clicking on to the second material, and then we will rename it aluminum. Okay, now let us try to have a finish here. Okay, finish. We already have here a ready-made aluminum, polished aluminum or brushed metal, and then you just have to assign it. Okay, assign also a UVW map. Okay, a UVW map. Okay, and then maybe you can make it cylindrical. Okay, and then let's try to render. Here is the rendering command. Okay, on the menu bar there's rendering, then try to render. Okay, look at that. You see, so shiny. The aluminum is so shiny that it is the reflection from the background is it is showing to the aluminum can. Okay, so let us cancel. Let us cancel, and then let us close the rendering view. Okay, now for the rendering, you will have to go to the render setup to check the size of your rendered image. Yeah, here you have output sizes. Okay, okay, you have here, I have here HDTV video, and then you can make it smaller. Okay, for example, this one uh, slide. Okay, okay, and then inches, that's inches. Then you can also make it 70 millimeter Panavision. Okay, that's the sizes in pixels. Okay, let's make it 1000 by 45. Okay, now it will look like this. Wide. Okay, so now let us close again. Escape if you want to cancel the rendering. Escape, and then let us try to change the material of the aluminum by selecting matte aluminum. That one is not shiny. Okay, then you assign it there, and then you try to render it again. Okay, here's the rendering. Render. Okay, now it is showing some no, no, reflection is not too much. Okay, okay, you see now, as you see the rendered image, you will find the segment is not so smooth because it's a not enough segment. So if you want to make it smooth, increase the segment. Okay, now let's close the you can save this one now as a save image as JPEG. Look at that, JPEG. Okay, this is, then I already made a folder inside. Then this was called rendering. Then test 2. Okay, save. Okay. Now, if you want to change the image of the label, you need to go to this parameter and then select this one. Select the Coke, and then if you want this, go to the parent so you can see the physical material. Okay, or another one is select the material map, and then here it is now. This is your Coke JPEG. Now select another one to replace that one with the same size. Then open it up. Now it will turn into Pepsi. Okay, so now let us see. Select the plane and then rotate it to check if it's correct. Okay, okay. Now select again the Pepsi, and you see the map is still there. See, if you are going to select to check the map, it's still wider, no? Okay, maybe you can make it smaller like that, closer to the can. Okay, now let's see again. Okay, now render it again. Okay, okay, okay. That's the final rendered image. I save it again. Save image as test 3. Okay,